Breaking news now, a dangerous fire in Pasadena. This happened at a General Motors facility.
Yeah, our Gio Insignares is live tonight on the scene of this breaking story. Gio.
Susie, Juan, good evening to you both. That's right. The scene rather active right now in terms of personnel, first responders, a lot going on behind us. As you can see, a number of lights still flickering. I'm going to step out of the way so you can see a little bit behind us. You see the General Motors sign there in front of the building. Now, keep in mind, this is a rather large facility, so this is just a snippet of what captures the entire scene. We're talking about a facility that is tens of thousands of feet in square footage in terms of size. So that's deep behind us here. This entire road closed off right now. When we can, we want to show you some video of the aerials to give you a different perspective as to what was going on out here. This dangerous fire, again, in Pasadena tonight, getting a massive response from firefighters. Now, as you guys mentioned, this is a new General Motors advanced design facility. That's what caught fire. The fire department tonight describing it as stubborn, a little bit difficult to get to, and that may be because there were some lithium-ion batteries that are used here at this facility. Now, we know with lithium-ion batteries, they can burn for days. It's very difficult when you have to factor those into a firefight. We also know that a hazmat team is on scene. Now, the expectation from firefighters is that cleanup might be taking a few days here. So, as previously mentioned, roads closed off for safety, at least in the immediate aftermath right now. We do also want to show you some photos and video of the facility itself, because we did just mention that it is rather large. Now, the reason it's large is because this is a futuristic sort of innovative design center. Engineers design futuristic concept cars here, among other things. This is a facility that opened in the last year. GM spending tens of millions of dollars in making it, in designing it. Auto Week reported that the mission here was to, quote, make GM cars the coolest in the world. So engineers sketch a new design, they make computer simulations, clay models, and then build a prototype of each car right on the site. So that gives you a better perspective as to what was going on at this particular facility. We still don't know exactly what caused this fire and the details behind that. Obviously, as mentioned, the cleanup is still going to continue. We've already seen a few fire engines sort of leave the scene right now. So in terms of just looking at the body language from firefighters and from first responders, it's sort of settled down a little bit right now. So we're very much toward the latter stages of that cleanup, that investigation. All of that, of course, still ongoing. For now, reporting from Pasadena, I'm Gio Insignares, CBS LA. Guys, I'll send it back to you.
All right, Gio, thank you so much. And our Desmond Shaw is live over the scene tonight in SkyCal. Desmond.
So, Susie, here we are. I'm going to put up the map tracker to show you the area we're talking about. It's the northern end of Rosemead and then Sierra Madre Villa Avenue and Orange Grove, where they all come together. Kind of a busy intersection in the afternoon. So the good news, we're not seeing any smoke or flames or anything. Earlier when we were checking this out, there had been some smoke. So good to see that. But, of course, anytime we're talking about lithium-ion batteries, as Gio was saying, we know the potential for catastrophe. So I would not be at all surprised if the fire department keeps these streets shut down for at least the next 24 hours. If not longer. I probably don't have to remind you about what happened in the ports a couple of months ago and then on I-15, which were both like 48-hour, 72-hour shutdowns that caused a huge traffic mayhem. So we'll see how this goes tomorrow with the morning commute and into the afternoon rush hour, but don't be at all surprised if this area on the border of Pasadena and Sierra Madre is shut down into tomorrow evening. Live in SkyCal overhead, I'm Desmond Shaw. Send it back to you now in the studio.
The building has a huge footprint. Let's hope some of it is salvageable. Okay, Desmond, thanks.